Hey guys, welcome back to Jibuke Tubers. Before starting this video, let me ask you a question. What will be the fastest mode of public transportation in the future? If your answer is trains or flights, your answer is absolutely wrong. The answer to the question will be Hyperloop. Imagine traveling non-stop with a speed of about 1000 km per hour from one place to other. This is what Hyperloop brings into reality. With this Hyperloop, you can travel from Kashmir to Kanyakumari in less than 3 hours, which takes you to just complete a movie. And if you choose a flight for the same journey, it takes around 5 to 23 hours. Now let's know about this Hyperloop clearly. In 2013, Elon Musk, the famous entrepreneur and also CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, came up with an idea for a vacuum and mangrove-powered super-fast train that would travel through a tube. It is now being called as Hyperloop. Hyperloop is a new form of ground transport currently in development by a number of companies. It could see passengers traveling at over 700 miles an hour in floating pod, which races along inside giant low-pressure tubes, either above or below ground. But how can we travel in such a high speeds in Hyperloop? To understand this, we should get into some of the basic concepts of physics. If you take any of the present transportations, we may not find this much of speed in them. The reason behind this is friction. Friction is a force that opposes the motion of a body. The two main sources of friction that a transportation is facing are surface contact and air resistance. What if you remove these two frictions? Yes, exactly. This is what the concept of Hyperloop is. Let's see how Hyperloop overcomes these frictions. The first focus of Hyperloop is to remove the surface contact. To remove this, Hyperloop uses the electromagnetic concepts. With the help of this concept, the pod is uplifted off the track, which makes the surface contact disappear. Now, the second one is air resistance. To overcome this, the tubes in the Hyperloop contains vacuum pumps which sucks the most of the air from the tube, which eventually removes air resistance. So with a less friction, you can produce a high amount of energy with low cost. Hyperloop is going to be the most efficient way of traveling, replacing all the current existing transportations. With Hyperloop, you can travel anywhere with the most precise timings. Now coming into the safety of the passengers. Hyperloops are definitely going to be safe because the government or the third party companies which gives the safety certificate gives approval for this after checking all the safety trials on Hyperloop. So this is the future of transportation in the world, and Hyperloop is accelerating in a faster way towards reality, and we are going to get this Hyperloop into existence in coming 5 to 6 years. This is it guys. Thanks for watching. Do like this video and share this with your friends. And subscribe our channel for more such valuable content.